Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are, uh, you know, uh, doing your practice of staying connected with your heart. Okay, so today this audio message is going to be about how to pray and how to make your prayers powerful and how how we are and what is the healing power of prayer basically. Okay, so prayer are not just words. Okay, you have to understand this, that prayer is not just words spoken. Okay, prayer is, setting an intention. Okay, setting an intention and releasing it to the universe, and this is happening energetically. So whatever you are speaking, the words and the intention behind those words are carrying energy. There is an energy signature that comes with those words spoken through prayer. So make sure whatever you're praying is coming from you, from a place of balance, from a place of connectedness with your heart, and not from a place of neediness. Okay, so if it is coming from a place, if your prayers are being sent out from a place of neediness, and low vibrational desires, the universe will get mixed signals. Okay, the universe will not be able to read the exact intention behind those words, and as a result you will be getting confused answers, right? And especially if the intention behind those words are not aligned with your higher self, or are not aligned with your soul, are not aligned with your uh, the universe and the world that you are living in, it is quite possible that those intention or the prayer will not be accepted by the universe, because the universe reads your energy. The universe does not hear your words. The universe reads the energy frequency that is being emitted by those words that you're speaking through your prayers, right? So that is why prayers are so powerful. So if you're praying for someone, uh, you know uh, if you're praying for someone's harm, that same energy is going to get reflected back at you, because the universe acts as a mirror. Whatever energy or frequency you're putting out into the universe, that same energy or intention is going to come back with the same force towards you, and you might just be taken by surprise. You might have thought that, okay, universe is going to listen to my prayers because I'm right in my place. There's a reason why I would wish something so like horrible and intense over someone's life, or I want that person to come down. Please let me beat that person, let me compete with that person, let me destroy the whatever the person has built, or let me get ahead in the race. No, no, that's not what you pray. So how you're praying and what you're praying for and the intention behind your prayer is so important, is so sacred, that if you don't realize it, you will be sending out the wrong messages to the universe, and the universe will pick that up. The universe is operating as a highly intelligent, super conscious being. It's alive and thriving within you and around you. So if you are sending out the wrong message, the same answers are going to come back hitting you, and you will be left feeling confused and lost, right? So make sure that the intention that you're setting through your prayers as you begin praying is coming from a place of purity, is coming from a place of love, is coming from a place of you know the desire to the desire should always be to neutralize the situation, okay, to call for fairness of divine justice, right? To call for fairness of divine justice that works for the good of all, for the highest good of everyone involved in the situation, whatever situation that you are praying for, okay? So this is very important when you're praying. Make sure that you're grounded and you have taken some deep breathing exercises you have done, and now you are in a place of calmness, okay? You are balanced, you are centered. Now you can pray. Now you can pray, because now your state of being is apt, is matching the frequency of the universe, and also matching the frequency of the intention now that you're going to send out into the universe, and it will be received with love by the universe, okay? So number one, you have to remember that when you're praying, make sure that you're praying from a balanced, grounded, centered place of your being. So it's always better to calm yourself down, take deep breaths before you start to pray. The second is setting the intention of the prayer. So be clear with your intention, as in what exactly you're calling for. So if you're centered, your intentions will be very clear, okay? I don't need to tell you that, right? So what intention are we setting in the prayer? We are setting to ask for universe's assistance in solving whatever problem you are facing currently. The universe knows it already, the divine creator knows it already, right? So all you have to do is ask for the resolution of the situation or the circumstance or the discomfort and the suffering that you're facing. How can ask for suggestions, ask for guidance, ask for signs through which you can work with the universe in order to mitigate the situation, right? In order to diffuse the situation, to resolve the situation, or dissolve it completely, right? So what we are asking from the universe is her assistance, okay? Her assistance in, or we are asking the creator his assistance in dissolving or resolving a situation or a problem, whatever it can be anything across the spectrum, okay? And we are asking for the universe's assistance to give guidance, signs, and assistance energetically, and to ask for protection when you are going out to resolve a certain situation, or you're going out for a tough job, whatever it is that you want to do or you're setting out to do. So yes, that should be the intention. And also praying that everyone involved in the situation is also in a calm state, in a state of balance, where everyone acts from a higher vibration, from their higher self, and not from their lower self. And you will have to be in that high vibration also, in order to receive that benefit of having the universe assist you in resolving the situation or the problem, or the dissolving of the suffering or the discomfort or uneasiness, whatever it is that you're feeling in your spirit. In order to receive it, you also have to raise up your vibration to a place where the universe can bring in that assistance for you. Exactly, right? So this is how we manifest help from the universe. This is how we manifest assistance from the universe, and this is all happening energetically. This is not we see it manifested in the physical when we are consistent with the prayer. When we are consistent with the prayer, we are consistent with raising our vibrational state of being, and we are constantly sending positive intentions to the situation or the circumstance or the problem or to the people. Send positive intentions, positive prayers of healing to the people involved in whatever discomfort or suffering or problem is, or the complication is in the physical world. Send positive intentions and prayer to those people, and you will see automatically how the situation is turning, how the tables are turning in your favor, because the universe realizes that the intention that you set behind your prayer was to bring a resolution that is fair and just for everyone involved, right? In which includes you. It's not excluding you, it's including you. And that's why the universe is going to respond to you, because the universe recognizes the honest intention and the motive behind such a powerful prayer. So you understand how healing prayer is and how powerful prayer is. You can even heal illnesses, okay? You can even heal illnesses with the power of prayer. If you're setting the intentions in the right way, in the right direction, and you're being consistent with it, you can even heal someone with the power of your prayer. You can heal your own self, your own body, by constantly praying and with positive affirmations, okay? And sending positive vibrations to that part of your body which requires the healing energy of your soul, the healing energy of your heart, the healing energy that comes from the creator, the prime creator, our the prime source of creation. So if you want to receive that healing energy, you have to be open in your heart and mind to receive that healing, powerful healing energy. So as soon as you start doing this, you will slowly see how your life is changing and turning around for the better. You will start seeing more positive energy flowing into your life, more magical miracles happening in your life, because miracles, we think the miracles are rare, or miracles happen to only people who are lucky in some way, or miracles happen when we have lots of money, or we are we have a certain status. No, it's not that. Miracles are happening every day, every second in this world or in this universe, but it's just that we are so caught up in our own lives that we don't get to actually realize that there are so many things that are happening around us which are actually miracles performed by the universe for you. So everything is happening, that is happening around you, is happening for you. So if you set the correct intentions, okay, this is about setting the correct intention, setting the purest intention of your heart, okay, not from your ego. When you pray, pray from your heart, not from your ego mind. If you pray from your ego mind, the result will always come back either mixed or negative, okay, because your mind is all caught up with what is happening in the physical world, but your heart is in a pure state. Your heart will always inspire you to pray from a positive place. So before you pray, it's very, very important, and I'm repeating this message again. Before you pray, please make sure that you're connected to your heart, so that the intention that you're setting out through your prayers are positive, pure and authentic, okay? So then what happens is the impact that your prayers have is the maximum, and the universe, you know, acts, proactively to make sure that you receive that healing energy or the assistance, or the instant response you will receive from the universe, and you will get to see how the changes are actually happening in your physical life. Okay, so now the changes will not happen like miraculously in 1 second maybe, because when that healing energy from the creator, from our prime source creator, is coming towards the physical plane, it happens in stages. Okay, so there's all things happen in their divine order. So if you can practice patience, you will get to see, you will actually get to feel and see how the universe is actually operating in stages. So there's going to be a stage 1 where you will see a certain change happening, and it will be very small. Okay, it can be very small. Then comes the stage 2 where something more happens, and then the stage 3 where you are getting notified by the universe constantly. If you're very connected with the power of praying, you're connected with the power of the heart, the frequency of the heart, you will absolutely get the signs and synchronicities that are sent by the universe, the divine operating here as the universe, that yes, your prayers are heard, your prayers are listened, and the universe is responding to it and is trying her best to turn the situation round as you intended to, through the intentions set before the prayer, right? So in the stage 5, you will see that the completion is almost near. The thing will come into realization, whatever resolution or the healing you needed or the assistance you needed. And in stage 6, you will actually see that that inner knowing within you is stronger than ever, and that's when you know that it has already happened. The universe has done it for you. The universe has actually manifested something beautiful for you, and that can be anything. It can be healing, it can be resolution of a very tough situation or circumstance that you were involved in, or resolution of a a dissolving of a complete dissolution of a disease, or complete dissolution of a collaboration which was not helping you. It kept you stuck, stagnant, whatever the problem or the issue is in your life that you're experiencing. The universe knows it all it requires is for you to set the right intentions through your prayer, and then you receive the healing power of prayer. Similarly, now one thing you have to remember, that as you pray for yourself, what works best for all of us is when we pray for others also, right? So in your daily routine, when you're going to sleep, you're praying, or in the morning when you're getting up, before you start your day, you're praying. It's always better to start and end your day with a prayer. Again, prayer is intention setting, healing, loving, pure intentions for yourself and for everyone around you. Okay, so that is a practice that if you can maintain and carry out throughout your life, you will see how beautiful your life has become, how beautiful your life feels, not looks, how beautiful your life actually feels in your heart, in your body, in your spirit, right? So now, the next part is where, if you want to bring about that radical change, if you want to bring about that radical change in your world around you, and you feel like this thing has to change, or something about this has to be resolved for everyone. This is where we raise our consciousness and we raise our intention, where it can help and assist everyone around us, not just us but everyone around us. This is where we are talking about expanding our heart in order to assist others, in order to bring and others together, in order to unite others together in a community or in a society or in a family, right? Is when you start praying for them. Okay, so include others in your prayers. Okay, and it does not always have to be the people that you get to meet every day. Of course you can pray for them. It can be anyone in the community, it can be anyone on the road you see, it can be anyone that you watch on the social media, it can be for anyone you get to see on the news. Prayers are not limited to only you. You have to understand this, and the more you pray for others, the more you're expanding your heart, the more you're opening your heart chakra, and you're allowing the energy of the universe to channel through you. And that energy and intention that you are setting through those powerful words that you utter out of your mouth, that intention and healing power that is getting channeled through your heart, through your prayers, is going to hit and heal and change those people. That is the power of prayer. That is the weight that prayers carry. So if you did not know the healing power of prayer, this video you can repeat and listen to it again and again, so that you get an idea why we need to pray. A lot of things can change in this world if we constantly pray. Prayer, never stop praying. Prayer is not only healing, but you're also setting out intentions into the universe, to for the betterment of humankind, for the betterment of the community, for the betterment of the society that you are living in, betterment of the family that you are living in. Okay, so never stop praying. So praying is not just for you, praying for others is also equally healing, because that same healing energy that you are sending out for others is going to come back tenfold to you, in different forms. And that healing energy that you're going to receive is going to come back in different forms. It's not just that others will start praying for you, which is quite possible in most cases, but also you will see that the universe is starting to assist you in different forms, and in silent ways that only you can heal. Only you can feel and experience and realize in your heart. And that moment of realization, that the silent help that and assistance that the universe is offering you, is beautiful. Trust me, if you haven't felt it, it's beautiful. And be grateful when you have those moments of powerful realization that yes, your prayers are getting answered, and the universe is listening to you, knows who you are, and is ready to assist you. Okay, so make sure that you are praying from a healed and centered place. Okay, if not healed, at least calm and ground yourself in the moment. Okay, and make sure that you're setting the right intentions. And also, once your the prayer starts working and you're receiving the signs and synchronicities from the universe, make sure that you're writing them down in your journal. And also the moments of realization or the aha moments that you feel, write them down as well. Okay, so with this I end the video. I end the audio message. Stay tuned for more powerful messages like this, and take care everyone.